Okay, this is exercise 3 in section 3.2, which utilizes the Rivet window takeoff file. We are to create in our quantification workbook an item takeoff for concrete walls to come up with the volume and also for the area of the fixed windows. So we've done some of this before earlier. We can go to the concrete division 3, go to item takeoff, and click on new item, and we can take off concrete walls. Okay, like we did in exercise 1, the trick here will be the volume. If you want it in cubic yards, you've got to change the units cell to say cubic yards, but that's just text. And so what you really have to do here is take model, since everything else is in feet, you're going to have to take model volume and divide that by 27. So then your volume will be converted to cubic yards. So I mean, this is really what we have done earlier, but again, if we expand our selection tree and then select the 4 walls and then I like dragging them down to the bottom here, you can see our volume comes out to 14.25 cubic yards. Now the windows are a little bit more tricky, so we'll go under doors and windows, new item, and we're supposed to create an item called fix windows. Okay, so we have that item. Now I'll come back to this, but again, it all has to do with these formulas up here. But if we open up the windows, we can see that they're 3 foot by 4 foot windows, and there's 3 of them. So if we hold the control button down, highlight all of them, and then drop them in down to the bottom here, you'll notice that the height is 4 foot, and if you use the slider bar, the width is 3 foot. But you know, as you go down, model area doesn't have anything, and more importantly, the area here doesn't have anything. So the total area up here says 0. Now, again, why is this? This is a new workbook, new time, first time that quantification's ever been in Navisworks. But we know these are 3 foot by 4 foot windows. Let's go ahead and figure it out. We know that they're giving us a height here, okay, and we know they're giving us a width here. So if you look, you know, the area formula says area equals model area. Well, there is nothing in model area, you know, so therefore the area is not going to have anything in it. Why don't we go ahead and change this area formula? We know that there is a height and we know that there's a width. Okay, we know that the height is equal to model height, and we know the width is equal to model width. So why don't we take the area and change that formula and say it's model height times model width. Okay, and it's in square feet. That should work. So now we've got that. Let's see what happens here. When we scroll down to area, down at the bottom, now each of these fixed windows, 3 by 4, is 12 square feet. And the running total up here on the top is 36 square feet. So there. Again, changing the formula based on what you have will 9 times out of 10 do the trick.